5 मिनट जापान हम करवा दें. This one, our lab sheet 1, experiment number 1, introduction to RF and microwave components. And I have already discussed the block diagram and introduction of the components of RF and micro component used in that micro test bench. And this is the picture of RF and micro test bench. Some first basic component, 3 component is available. One is gun supply, gun power supply, gun oscillator, isolator, and this one is a pin modulator. And full description is available in the component wise. First one is gun power supply, description of the gun power supply. Second one, description is the gun oscillator, and this is the figure of gun oscillator. This middle part is represented as a post. This is a gun device. This is a gun mount also available, and this is the whole waveguide. Third component is a pin modulator. Pin modulator, in this figure this is a pin modulator, and this is a figure of the pin modulator. This is a pin modulator, this is a post, and description of the pin modulator is also available, so you can read in more detail. And the fourth one is isolator, and detailed function of isolator and description is also available in section 4. 4 is isolator. And the fifth is a variable attenuator, and this is the figure of variable attenuator. This is a rectangular waveguide, and here is a resistive card. And the description of variable attenuator is also available in detail. And this is the figure of frequency meter, and the description of the frequency meter is also available, and this is actual hardware picture of the frequency meter. And this is the 7th number is a detector mount, and this is a rectangular waveguide, and between the top and bottom part of the rectangular waveguide detector diode is available. The 8th component is a slotted section with tunable probe. This is slotted section. This is the movable probe. This is a detector output, and this is here is a slot in the middle of the waveguide. And detailed description also available in section 8 for slotted section with tunable probe. And 9th component is a match termination. And the figure 8 is represent the match termination load. This is the open end, one side, this is a closed end, another side, and here end side is a tapered resistive pad is there that absorb the whole power come from micro test bed. And the detailed explanation of this match termination is available in section 9, so you can read also. And 10th component is a movable short. And the description of movable short is available in section 10. And the 11 is the VSWR meter, and VSWR meter is used for measuring the VSWR, and the detailed description of that instrument is also available in section 11. And the last one is the RF and micro test bench using cluster power supply. Is the actual hardware figure of cluster power supply that include cluster power supply, gun oscillator, isolators, variable attenuator, frequency meter, slotted section line, detector mount, and this one is VSWR meter. This is the analog meter. And this fan here we have used because of we have applied the high DC voltage. At that time our gun oscillator heated, and because of that reason here we have used fan for cooling purpose. you can read in more detail for every company.